Hello class, good evening. Myself Bhaskar Kesarkar. Her name is Yashita. His name Shubham. His name is Parshuram. Today's topic is daily life, daily exercise.
So, regular exercise or workouts can have lots of benefit for ourselves, which can reduce stress, and which help you to increase your stamina and body weight.
Exercise daily helps us. If we exercise daily, we also need to maintain a regular diet to go along with it, because only exercise cannot benefit without having a proper diet.
Yeah, I agree with that. Nowadays, people are moving to the green tea and oats, which are help them to gain lots of nutritions.
Exercise is daily life is very important, like running, walking, playing, etc.
Regular exercise is regular exercise. Reduces the risk of heart attack and stroke. Exercise can help you burn calorie, build muscle and health weight.
It also improves our mental health because exercise tends to reduce stress and release our happy hormones.
Daily exercise minimum 50 and 20 minutes, morning and evening. Evening time.
Nowadays, the health researchers also suggest you to do little exercise every morning, like stretching, doing push-ups, and getting morning walks, which help you to stay mentally fit, which can affect on your work.
It also improves our self-confidence because it improves our shape, so we become more confident with our body in public.
Regular health diet like fruits, meats, green tea, etc.
Okay, conclude.
In short, exercise is important in our daily life, and it can reduce most of our problems and our stress. So it is recommended to exercise every day for at least 45 minutes.
Doing exercise regularly, which help us to stay healthy in our long-term life. Also, it can improve our mental health and physical health also.